It's Ulanzi Coman carbon fiber lightweight travel tripod. It looks familiar to Peak Design travel tripod, but at another level. This is not a sponsored video. I bought both tripods myself and kept the best in my opinion. It's Oma here, and let's put these guys on test. Peak Design Travel Tripod is now in the market for roughly 2 years. They did a fantastic job and introduced a new concept to travel photographers. On the other hand, Ulanzi Coman Travel Tripod is pretty new, and I believe it's inspired by its competitor Peak Design. But I'm literally impressed by the build quality, functionality, size, and weight. It's even better than the original Peak Design model. Both tripods are quite expensive, and here I'm testing the carbon fiber version of each brand. The Peak Design comes at $650, whereas Ulanzi Coman Travel Tripod comes at $395. Sometimes it's on sale for $370. Check the links down below if you're interested. Now let's have a look at the differences and what I like in each model. Travel tripods should be compact and lightweight. Carbon fiber material is lighter than aluminum, but comes at a higher cost. Speaking of weight, Peak Design travel tripods weigh 1,340 grams, 2.95 pounds, whereas Ulanzi Coman Travel Tripod weighs just 1,160 grams, 2.46 pounds. Each brand comes with a nice compact carry bag. The Peak Design setup, including the tripod and carry bag, is 1,451 grams, 3.2 pounds, whereas the Ulanzi Travel Tripod, including the carry bag, is 1,276 grams, 2.81 pounds. Having both tripods folded, the Peak Design looks shorter than Ulanzi Travel Tripod. And when having both tripods next to each other at maximum length, Ulanzi Coman Travel Tripod is technically taller. However, at maximum length, Peak Design center column is solid and doesn't shake much, whereas Ulanzi Coman Travel Tripod shares the same features when the center column is not at maximum length. And the tripod itself features 1/4 screw hole to mount possible accessories. And to be honest, I prefer the locking method of Ulanzi tripod when it comes to the center column. Peak Design rotation knob slightly takes more time, and I lean to faster methods. Jumping to the carry bag. Peak Design case is tight and unfortunately takes more time to get the tripod in, while it's easier with the other model from Ulanzi. We get hexagonal tripod legs in Peak Design versus circular tripod legs in Ulanzi. The Peak Design ball head is made of plastic, and in my perspective, although it looks fancy and different, not the best experience so far. The Ulanzi ball head is solid, made of metal, and it has more like traditional ball head knobs, but offers better control in my workflow. And the two tripods share a similar plate size. Both tripods feature smooth and easy unfolding experience. You may slightly prefer one over the other, but both of them are great. And as I mentioned earlier, Ulanzi isn't made of plastic. The legs' locking knobs are also made of metal. And I have to mention that Peak Design tripod comes with a hex key, while Ulanzi tripod provides foot metal screws for extreme shooting conditions. A good lightweight travel tripod is a blessing. There is nothing better than lightweight gears, and at such a competitive price, Ulanzi Travel Tripod is no doubt the best option you can go with. It can easily fit in your backpack side pouch or anywhere in your carry-on case. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped in making your decision. Show me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you in another one.